Alright guys, I'm back. It's Joker Tango here. This is the second episode. I finished the first episode like 3 minutes ago. Um for Fun with VMs, my new series that I'm starting. I actually haven't uploaded the video yet because it's still uploading. It just started. It's 62% or so. So this episode is going to be on how to I think it was how to get internet on the Oracle VirtualBox software. This took me a little bit. So in the help, it told me that if you go into your settings and go into network and then I have to go to bridged adapter. Is that what I'm on? Bridged? No, not bridged. Wait, what's this on? Just shut up. This is on bridged adapter. Yeah, because I use wireless internet because I don't have a hardwired connection yet. Don't ask why. This one is to the original one. It said that the Fast 3 thing was the default, but the truth is this is the default. This Intel Pro 1000MT desktop NAT. It's for the NAT one, bridge adapter. Then I set. You won't let me change it. Arr! Internal host only generic. Okay, hold on. Well, how am I supposed to change this? Hold on. I've done this before. Network. What is going on? This is kind of confusing. I've done this before. How did I set the other one? I'm gonna pause the recording until I can figure this out. Okay, I just figured out the no duh problem. Crash Test 3 is still running from the last time I just used it. So I'm gonna turn it off now. Power off. That's what I did. I pressed save state. Okay. That's why I couldn't change it. Wouldn't let me do it. Now it'll. Yep, okay. So then you change it to PCNet Fast 3 AMC9 has your MAC address of the thing. Mine's on bridge adapter. Your guys could probably be on NAT. So, because mine's just complicated right now since I'm on wireless internet. So then we set this. This took me a little bit to figure out, and I don't exactly know why it works now. I just kind of read it in the help and said it was default, but instead of that, so I ignored that, and then later I went and and then I set it to. I really need to turn my mic volume down because you guys can hear me breathing in the other video. Sorry, but now it works. Don't boot from CD, please. I don't know how I figured this out. I messed around with the settings and it worked. I get it. It says does not support and then says support mouse pointer integration for the VM. And hey, no wonder. It's showing the XP mouse pointer, not mine. Okay, so that XP is. I'm sorry, my VM volume is really loud. See, and then it says found new hardware Ethernet controller. Like when I did it before, nope. See, AMD PCNet, yeah. Exactly. It didn't work at all before, and now I can I don't put anything other than for even though I hate it. Connect to the internet. Done this before. Broadband. You should have just worked by default. My gosh. And then you see, it works, even though a piece of crap. Even though it updates your news because it's MSN. A lot of people still use it. Not many, but this is kind of like the default kind of thing. I'm a doodle. Oh, there was another one. Feds release. Well, actually didn't know that for once. So that's how to connect. If you go on your internet connections, it still doesn't show it down here for some strange, odd, cray reason. If I go to my control panel, network and internet connections, network connections, and it says LAN, like it works, and I don't get it. I don't know why. It's fine. It works fine. It says it looks like it's not even going to this, but it is. I mean, how nutty is that? Signed by DC. Sorry. Dust. IP address. See, it assigns its own IP address to generic. Like, I've used this for a million other things. Just shut up! I'm gonna crash this one before I have to activate it, so I'm not gonna waste a stupid key on it. If I really do have to, and this is just gonna be my tutorial thing, then I will do that. So that's how to do it. If you guys do something, use something should work on that, should work with your general network. Actually, I think you're supposed to set it to the fast 3 because that's just what it's supposed to do. What is this? Sorry, just looking at my settings on my screen recorder. So yeah, recycle bin. I told you to go up there. Yeah, and yeah. Oh, and as soon as we get into crash kind of land, like we're gonna break it. There are some things I use Resource Hacker, some free file unlockers. Oh, this is I'm not gonna do this right now because I'm not gonna spoil the surprise. There's a command that I learned actually from one of the Microsoft help pages that you can enter and grant all permissions to the specified file. Like you get all permissions, so you can delete it, you can edit, you can open. Because I'll show you one. This should do it since I haven't said it yet. If you go in here, I know. I've gone in here before. You see how it only has 4 folders? Well, there's a trick that I will show later. I'm sorry, I'm not going to spoil it in this episode. To show the hidden stuff. Lots of little cookies hidden here, hidden stuff. Like there's one file just right where I am in C drive that if you delete it, your computer won't boot. It's simple as that. It's kind of funny. It doesn't give you a BSOD, it just says blah 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 is missing. Control Alt Delete to restart, which doesn't work because my computer interprets the Control Alt Delete instead of this one. Yeah, done it before it's released. I think it works on like other ones. If you could unhide the stuff. Okay, this episode is really kind of short, but it's done. Approaching the 8.5 minute mark. Now, and I'm going to figure out this later, but it still doesn't show that I have a network connection. Whoa, shiver for no reason. I'm kinda cold, just a wee bit. Alright, so I will put the Oracle VM software in the link description. Once again, I will do it in every single video. So, peace out.